Do you have a family recipe that you really enjoy making? One of mine is from my grandfather and how he liked to make his lemonade. Hi, I'm Jacob and this is Maker Cuisine, and today I'd like to share with you that recipe that he taught me many years ago. First, I got a 72 ounce or 9 cup pitcher, to which I added 6 cups of hot water, and the water does need to be hot, and you'll see why soon. Next, I measured and added 1.5 cups of maple syrup to the hot water, and you can use whatever maple syrup that you like best. The maple syrup is going to act as a sweetener in this recipe, as well as add some lovely notes of vanilla and caramel that go great with the flavor of lemon. Then we stir things up, and because the water is hot, it helps the sugary maple syrup dissolve very easily and incorporates it evenly throughout the mixture. Speaking of incorporating, it's time to add our 1.5 cups of lemon juice to complete our lemonade mixture. Then we stir things up one final time, let it cool, and this lemonade is ready to enjoy. Me personally, I like to grab a mason jar, add some ice, and enjoy it straight up. This is truly a unique recipe, and I hope you give it a try. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite family recipe is. I'd really love to hear about them. Big shout out to all my patrons that help make my videos possible. If you want to help me keep making these videos, I'll leave a link down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.